You're not going to believe this, but what if I told you that just 6 simple exercises could replace every single workout you've ever done? No machines, no fancy gym, no endless routines, just 6 moves, and they train your entire body better than anything else. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. I've seen people in their 50s, 60s, even 70s transform their bodies with only these 6. No pain, no confusion, just results. I'm talking about real strength, better balance, and energy that makes you feel alive again. The kind of transformation that doesn't just change how you look, it changes how you live, because sometimes the simplest things bring the most powerful results. Before we start the video, tell me your name and which continent you're watching from. If there's one exercise that defines strength, it's the squat. This single movement trains your legs, glutes, and core. But more than that, it teaches your body how to move powerfully and efficiently. Every time you stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or lift something heavy, you're performing a squat without even realizing it. For older adults, squats are the secret to independence, the ability to move freely without pain or weakness. They strengthen the muscles that protect your knees, improve balance, and boost blood flow throughout the body. Start slow. Even holding onto a chair is fine. What matters is consistency. Over time, that gentle motion turns into power, confidence, and vitality, because when your legs are strong, your whole body follows. The deadlift is often called the king of all exercises, and for good reason. It's not just about lifting weight. It's about mastering real-world strength. Every time you pick up a grocery bag, lift your grandchild, or move furniture, that's a deadlift in disguise. This powerful movement trains your glutes, hamstrings, back, and grip all at once. For older adults, it rebuilds posture, strengthens the spine, and prevents lower back pain. You don't need heavy weights. Even lifting a light bar, dumbbells, or resistance bands can spark huge benefits. The deadlift reminds your body what it was built to do. Move with power, control, and purpose. Strong hips, strong back, strong life. The pull-up is the ultimate test of true strength. Simple, raw, and brutally honest. It's you against gravity, and that's what makes it powerful. Every pull builds your back, arms, and shoulders, but more importantly, it builds mental toughness. For older adults, even a modified version like bodyweight rows or band-assisted pull-ups can completely transform upper body strength and posture. It reverses the rounded shoulders caused by sitting too long and reignites grip power. Each rep teaches your body control, coordination, and resilience. You might not get your first pull-up today, but every attempt gets you closer, because the day you finally lift your chin above that bar, that's not just progress. It's proof of strength earned. The farmer's carry might look simple. Just pick up something heavy and walk. But it's one of the most powerful full-body exercises ever created. It builds real-world strength you can feel in everyday life. Stronger grip, tougher core, and rock-solid posture. For older adults, it improves balance, shoulder stability, and overall endurance. Every step trains your body to move as one solid unit, protecting your spine and boosting confidence with each stride. You can use dumbbells, grocery bags, or even water jugs. It doesn't matter. What matters is control and consistency. The farmer's carry teaches you how to hold your strength, not just build it. The plank may look simple, just holding your body still, but don't be fooled. It's one of the most effective exercises for building a rock-solid core and improving total body stability. When you hold a plank, every muscle from your shoulders to your toes is working together. Your abs tighten, your glutes engage, and your spine aligns perfectly. For older adults, this isn't just a core workout. It's a foundation for pain-free movement. It protects the back, strengthens posture, and prevents falls by improving the balance and coordination. The plank also teaches control, the ability to hold tension and breathe under pressure. Start on your knees if needed, or use a wall variation. Over time, your endurance will grow, your body will tighten, and you'll feel stronger in everything you do. The plank doesn't just sculpt your abs, it reconnects your mind and body. It reminds you that real strength isn't always about movement. Sometimes it's about stillness, patience, and the power to hold your ground. The push-up is more than just an upper body exercise. It's a movement that defines strength, resilience, and control. Every time you lower yourself toward the ground and push back up, you're training your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core to work together in perfect harmony. But it's not just about muscles, it's about mindset. For older adults, push-ups restore stability in the shoulders, strengthen the arms for everyday tasks, and build confidence in movement. Even modified push-ups from the knees or against a wall create powerful results when done consistently. Each rep teaches your body balance, endurance, and the ability to handle your own weight, something that becomes more valuable with age. What makes push-ups special is how they connect strength with function. They don't just build a better upper body, they build a stronger heart, a steadier core, and a posture that commands confidence. No equipment, no machines, just your body, your breath, and your determination. The push-up proves one thing: real strength doesn't come from what you lift. It comes from your will to rise again and again. Here's a simple weekly plan using just 5 core exercises: squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, push-ups, planks, and farmer's carries that trains your whole body efficiently. Monday, squats plus planks. Tuesday, pull-ups plus farmer's carry. Wednesday, rest or light walking. Thursday, deadlifts plus push-ups. Friday, squats plus farmer's carry. Saturday, core focus, longer planks plus mobility work. Sunday, rest and recovery. Each workout should take 30 to 40 minutes. Focus on slow, controlled reps in proper form. Gradually increase resistance or duration weekly. This simple schedule strengthens every major muscle group, enhances balance, and keeps you strong, mobile, and pain-free. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.